So here it is. I did open the box already because of course I couldn't control myself. I was so excited as soon as it came in the mail, but I will reopen it with you all and share with you what I got. So the first thing in the box I'm so excited for is the wallet. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. Look at the detail on it. So it's Dorothy's feet and the red ruby slippers. And the camera doesn't pick it up, but her feet do have like glitter on it. And it is a compact wallet, but what I really liked about this wallet and what really was a selling point for me is the slots. The slots are really nice, but the fact that it has a compartment for the back so you can put cash in. I do carry cash on me, and I like to be able to have that feature. I don't really care for the kinds of wallets that have, you know, like no back compartment and you got to fold your bills and put it in there. I always prefer the wallet that you're able to put the bills in. I know it might not be a big thing to other, you know, people, but it is a selling point for me. And then I also like that it has the little zip compartment for change. I will probably never use it for change, but I like the fact that it does have that feature. And it has a little tiny compartment here in the back also, a little hidden compartment. It says Coach on there, and then of course it says Coach there. And it's a really nice smooth zipper, and I just love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Doesn't have anything on the back, it's just red, and I think it's perfect for the holidays. It's a beautiful red. On camera it's showing brighter red than it actually is. It's kind of like a burgundy. So yeah, that's beautiful. I'll give you the prices at the end if you want to know. So that was the first thing. The second thing I got, let me try to angle the camera a little bit better. See if I could get that. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for it? Look at that. It is the Crossbody Bag, and it has a little keychain, and it is Dorothy's red slipper. As soon as I seen this bag, I fell in love with it. I thought it was just so beautiful. I love that it has a scene from basically every part of the movie. I love that it has the Wizard of Oz in this beautiful like glittery font. And it's just so gorgeous to me. And if you know me, I pretty much live in black. I will probably die in black. Black is my favorite color, so for it to have the black leather strip up here, I was like, yes, sold. I unfortunately missed out on the first collection. I think it was the first collection that Coach did with the Wizard of Oz. And when I seen that this collection came back and they had these new pieces, I didn't care what it cost. I wanted to get my hands on it, and I'm so glad I did. It's kind of hard for the camera to pick up. It does have the one slip pocket here, and it's just a big gaping hole in there, which I'm fine with. It's a, you know, standard kind of a crossbody style, and it has a pretty long strap, which is good. I'm 5'4", and it came at like waist length, hip length, I should say. It hung at hip length, and it's at the very last setting. I do like to carry them a little bit looser. But yeah, that's her. I'm so excited. I thought that the wallet complemented it just so well. I do know that I have, you know, that and that's the same thing, but I didn't care. I just wanted it together. I think it looks really beautiful. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. It's the very first time I've filmed something like this, so I'm sorry if it was a little bit shaky. I was just so excited when I got it in the mail, and you know, when I went to buy it initially, anytime I really these days buy anything, I always look to YouTube to see if anybody else has purchased it, what their thoughts are. I'm sure that's why some of you might be here, or they're just, you know, you're just curious to see. But I didn't find any videos on YouTube with the new collection that kind of, you know, went into a little bit of detail. I hope I went into enough detail. But I'm so excited to have it. It's definitely going to be in my winter bag. I love the colors. I think it embodies all the things that I love, all the colors that I love. I am a huge fan of The Wizard of Oz. So if you know me, you will know that I could not let this bag escape me. I had to get it. So I'm really happy that I did, and I'm really happy that I was able to share it with you all. So if you like videos like this, let me know. I do have a substantial purse collection. I didn't realize I had one until they didn't fit in my closet anymore, and now I realize I do. So if you like videos like this, if you want to see videos like this, if you want to see collection videos of my purses and wallets, let me know and I would be happy to film it. Or if you want to see future videos like this, let me know. I'd be happy to share. So thank you so much, guys, and have a great day. Bye. Happy Halloween.